How is my soy bread or soy cake based lunch work with my diabetes? So there is one carrot boiled, because when you boil it will make it easier for us to absorb the vitamin A creating beta carotene. And then there is 75 grams of soy bread, but 75 grams is the dry weight. No use checking the weight with water. There is little bit of mackerel, and this is an experiment one. This is the jalapeno, the chili, and I have sort of put it in a salty solution or brine solution, and then I want to see whether how long I can keep it, and it is nice. We'll see how the blood sugar goes. This is some radish leaves. I would like to add leaves to every meal, and we'll see the blood sugar level first. Check the blood sugar first. It is easier to get the blood if you stand up and also shake the hand a little bit. Seven. Okay. 7 is about, okay, I will put the value in American units up there. After 3 hours, because it is a complex carbohydrate, it should take about 3 hours for the blood sugar to peak. Shake a little bit. .4, it has gone up little bit. Yes, okay, that's all right. 0.4 gone up by 0.4, that is around 10 units in American systems. Okay, see you in the next video. There will be 2 more videos up there. Please watch them and give me a click. Thanks very much.